How to edit tweets on Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can actually edit tweets on Twitter, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So normally if I have posted a specific tweet, so let me just come to my profile page and then show you. Here you can see a couple of tweets that I've posted, but if I want to edit it, even if I tap the three dots over here, you can see I don't have the option to edit this tweet. So I have the option to pin to my profile, to delete the tweet, or to change who can reply, but I cannot just go ahead and then edit this tweet or what I wrote in this tweet in the first place. But now there is a way that you can do this, and that is to have a Twitter premium subscription, and this subscription is called Twitter Blue. So Twitter Blue is basically a new subscription based model of Twitter that they have released on their version of Twitter app. Now keep in mind it may not be available in all regions, so if you're not being able to subscribe, then it means that you don't have the option and it's not available in your region. But if it is, then after you open the Twitter app, just tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, right under the profile page you'll find the option called Twitter Blue. All you have to do is just tap on Twitter Blue over here. Once you tap on the Twitter Blue option, right over here you'll be able to see the features of having a Twitter Blue. And if you look at the last feature, it says all the existing blue features including edit tweet, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So when we subscribe to Twitter Blue, we're also going to have the option to edit the tweet that we have posted. So just depending upon the type of plan, which is annual or monthly, that you wish to prefer, you can simply go ahead and subscribe to it by tapping the dollar icon from the bottom of the screen, and then start by adding your debit or credit card to your Google Play or your Apple account, and then after that you'll be able to successfully subscribe to Twitter Blue. Then after you subscribe to Twitter Blue, you'll get all the features of Twitter account, and that also includes your editing tweet feature. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.